What's going on, guys? We just rushed home. We got us a box for the Beamer. I'm excited. Can you guess what we got? Oh, I can't wait for these to not work. Oh my god. Oh. Easy. 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 Oh. Oh, how do I get in there? Oh my god. Okay, I'm happy. Black housings. Oh. Go for that reveal peel. Easier said than done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Those are beautiful. Oh my god, those are beautiful. Oh. Oh. Alright, so welcome back, guys. So we're jumping right into it. Obviously, we're doing headlights today. Now, why are we doing headlights on the 335, you ask? They have these gorgeous $100 headlights in. Well, the lenses are melting. They just don't work. And more importantly, they just flop around. I've never seen that. So the halos don't work. The actual bulbs themselves just bounce around. They let water in. They don't look great. I'm torn on these ones because they have like the Christmas light dots across the top, and I hate that. So we went with these. So they're a DNA Motorsports something. M4 style headlights with the black housings. Not a huge fan of this white strip, but they work, so you can't win them all. So that's what we're doing. Now, as far as ripping these off, I know you have to rip the front bumper off, so I'm assuming pull the inner liner, pull the wheels off, and then just screws everywhere. Beyond that, I'm not too sure. It's a 335 that I believe had xenons, so I did the unplug. Plug that in, it works. So if we have to deal with coating or something later, that's something else. But I need headlights because I literally have one bulb on that side working, so let's jump right into her. So another good thing to point out is I'm pretty sure this thing's been in at least 2 good hits in the front end. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's all a good sign. And then of course the replaced headlights. And by good sign I mean terrible sign, so like everything else. I don't know how this car hasn't burned down yet. That's good. It's doing a lot. And I don't know where my fog light bulb is, so things are going well. This wire's dangling. And this is why we're working on this car. We got this liner out, so we have, looks like a couple bolts up here around the actual headlight bracket, some Torx on the front of the bumper, and then we should be getting pretty close. Also, look what I found. Look at that. Why that's not plugged in, I don't know. Actually, it may just not even fit. That's actually almost more effort to tuck that up and hide it than to just put it in. Oh, that's why it's broken. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, we said buying a used 335i for very cheap was a good idea, because so far, bad things. And my front shocks are totally blown out, but we knew that wasn't a surprise. That's a later issue. Let's just get headlights in so we cannot get pulled over. So we're getting pretty close. I can't wait to find some structural damage in there, but these are things I need to know, I guess. Start disconnecting these. I'm shocked. This is insane. Don't do this shit. Don't do this shit. So we come up here, I gotta undo these 4 Torx screws up here, and then I think we should be able to pull it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back here and disconnect my new fog light bulb and rip the front bumper off. Okay, so as we fumble our way through this, I mean, I guess these could be signs of a crash, but there's nothing super concerning. Okay, I misspoke. This thing's been in an accident. I mean, most of the bottom ducts are okay. Supports are good. The intercooler's not trashed. They just don't know how to park or drive, I guess, so nothing super serious. Some cracks and stuff. So, other than that, it's just missing half its hardware. The ones that are there are totally incorrect and just random, but it's not the end of the world. So from my understanding, we go ahead, we unbolt the headlights, and that bottom bracket comes with it. We gotta swap that over to these. Hope these fit. Hope these work. So I'll go ahead and disconnect the harness. Simply unplug, so go ahead, unscrew these, and I guess we're almost there. So it's actually not too difficult. Quite the setup. I was really quite expecting like a 2-day ordeal here, but it's not too bad. So I can't wait to get rid of these things. So pop off some screws here. Looks like we got 2 here. There should have been 2 there. Here's 1. How's this car even running? This is absolutely shocking. Great deal on it. Yes, the bumper's on its face. It really can't get any worse. Also, I hear Genesis. There he is. All right, boys, go ahead and unbutton these lights and see what we're working with here. So we button one in off camera, and it's absolutely beautiful. So now it's important to swap these over. I'm assuming that's going to be for adjustment. This one didn't have one. We only have 3 screws, so you have nothing mounting it there, and you can see it's way off, so everything's still kind of loose. You have to come up with an answer for that, I guess, but other than that, we got 1 headlight in. She's looking nice. So do the other one, show you guys how to swap some brackets. Pretty easy, 2 screws, and we're almost there.
'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
There's a dead bird in my car.
What?
Yeah.
Where?
Alright, so we had a momentary bad. We found a dead bird in my car. But anyway, moving on, because that's screams demonetization. Clean that out. Definitely have to try and cut that out. That's probably been in every shot, so that's cool. Bracket. Has 2 screws. One there. One on the opposite side. You have to transfer these little tabs over. Make sure you don't lose these little adjusting sliders, as I launched mine somewhere and now I have to look for it under my truck. So now we can throw our brand new headlights into place.
'Cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Alright, so we got the headlights loosely bolted in there. Well, I mean, they're pretty snug, I guess. I'm looking for, if I even had that adjuster, slider. These 2 screws are in. These are hand tight. Just gotta get some gaps figured out here, pull the headlight up a bit. They're both sitting a little low. One of the backing plates on this one's broken. No, this one. One of them. And we're missing half the hardware. Some of the hardware is 10 mil when it should be 8, so that's pretty neat. And I have some wires to tidy up, but as far as it goes, I absolutely love those. They look so good with the lights on, so go ahead, start buttoning this up, start fine-tuning, fixing some of these weird gaps. Gotta bring the whole thing up a bit, and then we're pretty much set. Some fine-tuning. This bumper is just trash. There's no saving it. It's cracked all the way up here, and fog light housings are barely attached, so not ideal. Add that to the list of things to do. So jump right into this, boys, and catch up with you when there's some progress. We got these lights in. They're finally in, pretty much permanent, and I absolutely love them. Fitment's not great. We got some broken brackets and bumpers cracked, so that will have to be replaced. But let me show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so those are the headlights thrown in. These are the DNA Motoring, or Motorsports DNA Motoring headlights, and I love them. I love them. This is a xenon headlight equipped car with halogen headlight housings I just put in, so I have a couple codes on. I'm going to do some coding because I want those halos on as my DRLs. And then, of course, I just have halogens in there now, and I want to upgrade those, especially the ones in the projector housings, which I think are low beams. I'm not too sure, but eventually I'm going to do a bulb upgrade too. So for now, I got headlights to work. This car is pretty much legal, so I'm pretty excited, guys. I love these headlights. I'll see what they look like at night. I might throw a clip in, but that's it for now. We got some more upgrades coming in, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Nothing